Hi, my name is Tshepo Siamisang. I am 20-year-old. I am the current Miss Independence Botswana 2025 second princess of a society called Mosadi Setšhaba, which advocates for the rights of young girls and young women. Our aim is to achieve women empowerment in all social cycles in the Southern Hemisphere by 2030. So to empower women in developing countries, especially in Africa and SADC by 2035. We have a problem of where we have a lot of talented women, but they lack the confidence and the capital to start pursuing their dreams. With the platform of Miss Universe Botswana, I'll be able to provide basic training and holding of seminars where women will build connections in both cities and villages. An independent woman is able to educate herself, is able to lead the community, as such rising Botswana. Why am I unique? Why should the public vote me as Miss Universe Botswana 2027? Well, I represent hard work, commission, and beauty for purpose. As a founder of Mosadi Setšhaba, a society that I've mentioned before, which aims at advocating for the rights of young girls and women in platforms that they cannot be heard.